Amazfit Bip 5 Unity, a new generation of smartwatches with advanced technologies and affordable price. Amazfit Bip 5 Unity is a modern smartwatch that boasts a range of unique features and characteristics. One of the main advantages of this model is its stylish stainless steel case, which provides protection against water and dust according to the IP68 standard. The large 1.91-inch LCD display ensures bright and clear information display. The heart of the device is the Amazfit BioTracker PPG biometric sensor, which allows for tracking not only heart rate but also blood oxygen levels. This sensor also alerts users to any deviations in heart rhythm, stressful situations, or low oxygen levels. Amazfit Bip 5 Unity supports more than 120 different sports modes, making it an ideal companion for an active lifestyle. Additionally, the device is equipped with the Amazon Alexa voice assistant, providing convenient access to various functions and information. An important aspect is the long battery life from a single charge. Thanks to the 300 mAh battery, Amazfit Bip 5 Unity can last up to 10 days with regular use. Activating the power-saving mode can extend the device's autonomy to 26 days, making it an ideal choice for extended trips or outings away from charging sources. Despite its many advanced features, Amazfit Bip 5 Unity is available at an attractive price of just $59. The device is already available for purchase in the USA and the UK, offering users an excellent combination of price and quality.